why everybody's got a bike here, look. They all just get up onto the footpath and bypass it. Like everybody. Oh, that's wow. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so this isn't rush hour, is it? Like this shouldn't be like the busy time. Is there an accident? Oh no, they park. Oh no, they just park, don't they?
I change the road now. I change the way.
Hey?
I change the way.
You're going a different way now? Everybody is now, look! Everybody's gonna go that way, look! Everybody's coming this way now. There's a whole lot of bikes coming this way. Oh my god, now they're doing road work.
Been there?
No. Wow. That is I've seen it on YouTube.
Yeah.
That's Central Market.
Yeah.
That's famous, that place.
Yeah. The big market in Phnom Penh.
Yeah. That is famous there, Central Market.
You want to see now?
Yeah, let's go now.
Yeah.
Do you want to do that?
Yeah.
Then we'll have a rest and then tomorrow do the trip out to...
Yeah, you do now.
Let's go to Central Market.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm excited because I saw it on YouTube.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Here we'll go. Hello and welcome to Brett Voyage, over 50 and over the 9 to 5. And today I'm in Phnom Penh, Cambodia, and this is the Central Market. Oh, cool, have a look at that. Let's go in and have a look around, see what we can find. Hello. No, yeah, thank you, Dad.
Hello, would you like something?
Hello.
Sir?
No, I'm okay, thank you.
Good carving.
Very nice, sir.
Yeah, have a look.
Have a good day.
Have a nice day.
Hello.
Hello.
I've stumbled into the world's friendliest market. This is amazing. Have a look at this. There it is. It has arms all coming out from this central area. We'll go into where it's cool and have a look around first. Hello. I'm okay. Thank you. That is amazing. It probably doesn't show it properly on the widescreen, but it's huge. Huge dome. with a cocktail. All through here is a jewellery section, very nice. And then off each arm is the rest of the market going outside. Hello, how are you? You good?
Yeah, good sir.
Excellent.
Yeah.
các bạn đá phải học không phải trượt.
Hello. And we've come out on towards the side street here. This will be the back section and right across.
Cái đau nâng nóng tối thì miết đi mà. Ngọt đi.
Yeah? It fits?
Yeah.
Okay. How much?
$6.
How much? $6? Okay. All
How many
right.
you want to buy?
I only get one.
Only one?
Yeah, I'm backpacking, so I've got a little
Okay.
case, so
Yeah.
I'll get one. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Got to take something from the market, so thank you.
Check for you 14. Double the line.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
More people coming now?
Yes.
Is there more people?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
It's nearly my New Year. It's have a lot of people come.
New Year in
Yeah,
next
Happy
month,
New Year,
in
Cambodia.
April, Cambodia
Yeah,
New
yeah.
Year.
Yeah, yes.
That's good. Thank
Yes,
you.
thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Happy nice day.
You too.
Bye.
I'm going home to get cool now.
Yes.
It's so hot.
Yes.
Thank you and have a great New Year.
Hey, Happy New Year.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye-bye. And that's what it's like inside the market. There's more, of course, that's just the surface of it, but it is awesome. It has everything in there. Jewellery, clothes, food, everything. So, when you do come here to Cambodia, and you are coming, aren't you? You're going to come here. This is where you got to go. The amazing Central Market in Phnom Penh. Oh.